A well-known leaker Duan Rui shared two iPhone 13 film proofs today. As previously revealed by sources, the area of the bezels in the picture has been further reduced. Duan Rui had previously revealed very accurate information, accurately breaking the name of the iPhone 12 and the manual of the iPad Air 4, so his information has a high degree of credibility. The picture seems to show the iPhone 13 Mini Pro Max and two mobile phones screen. A fringe area is significantly smaller. This is the result of the earpiece speaker being moved up to the top border. This design first appeared in the iPhone 12 revelation, but it was not realized. This alleged iPhone 13 sample also shows that the front camera has been moved to the left side of the groove, which is in sharp contrast with the current position of the iPhone with the true depth camera on the right side of the groove. According to a report from the Japanese website Mako Takara, the true depth camera array of the iPhone 13 is getting narrower because, as depicted in the picture, the receiver at the top of the display will move to the edge of the housing.